In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete Shift Bid employees. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your location selected, then choose Bidding. Select the Shift Bid you would like to edit or remove employees from. I'll choose this one. You should arrive at your status page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Setup. From the drop-down menu, choose Employees. Now you should arrive at a list of employees assigned to this Shift Bid. To edit an employee, click on that employee. Maybe I will choose Casey. Now I can edit Casey's rank. Right now she's ranked as 4. Maybe I want to change her rank to 3. Then I will click the down arrow. And now her rank has been changed to 3. I could also add her to a group instead of having her on any. I'll leave that alone. I could unenable Casey, but I do want to have her enabled. And I can also choose to skip her. I'll leave that alone. If you changed your mind and you don't want to save your changes, click Close. I do, so I will select Save. And now Casey's rank has been changed to 3. Let's say that I don't actually want Casey on this Shift Bid at all. I can click her name again and choose Delete. Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete Casey from this Shift Bid. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that employee has been removed. If you need to remove one or more employees at a time, you can click the boxes next to their names. Let's say I want to remove these last 3. Then choose Remove. Again, Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove these employees. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now those employees have been removed. That's how you can edit and delete Shift Bid employees in Teamwork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to export your Shift Bid employee information to an Excel spreadsheet.